Today we are gonna sail beyond the horizon. It is time to celebrate. Dig in as we dive into the islands of Surigao. The next morning, after our last vlog, we headed back to Banban. There, we are set to sail again to Cuyacadós Island Resort. It is located just in the outskirts of Banban. Arriving in Camille Resort, we were greeted with party music, drinks, and all of those delicious foods. Remember Lammy? Yeah, no pun intended. Let us not forget the spectacular view of this island. Cuyacadós Island Resort is definitely amazing. We spend our time catching up, eating, and certainly enjoying the fresh spring water of this island. Day passes, we call it a night and prepare our bodies for another celebration tomorrow. Hi guys, we are here in another day in Surigao. And now we are here in Placer. So yesterday was a blast. We took a swim in Camille Resort, an island where there's an island there where we have a resort. Well, they have a resort, not me. So yesterday was a blast, and we had a fun day at the Camille Resort. Resort by Cuyacadó, there, right there. Now they are now surveying the land for, they're just surveying the land, and I don't know why. And it's maybe like they're looking at how they will plan with their land. And look at this place. This is very, very relaxing, like full of nature. And there's a cow there, and there's a solid wood, and they are talking about land stuff, which is we're not gonna talk about maybe. Right now this is our day 4. We came here Friday, so it's already Monday. The day runs so fast here in Surigao. It's because you're enjoying. Maybe later we're going to Burungkot beach, and then we're gonna celebrate the birthday of Kuya Marvin and family. So check you out there. Just as we were chatting, I have known that this land used to be where Tita lives. Being here with her siblings made them remember the memories of their childhood. It brought back the feeling of all the things that happened to them in this very land. With that, they also shared smiles, laughs, and love. The comfort of them being together again as they were kept away due to the pandemic.
visiting the land, Placer, we headed back to the village for another celebration. We are now in Burungkot Beach, better known as Banban Beach. Here, we celebrated the birthday of Ate Loli and family. After all the eating in Banban, the celebration is still not over. For we had a short trip in Surigao City. Tito had a meeting there in the infamous PB Grill. There, we took our dinner. Also strolled around the nightlife of Surigao City's Boulevard. See more of Surigao City in the third and final part of our Surigao vlog.